So next up, guys, just want to do a quick video. Got a really nice corn head here. It's a 2010 John Deere 606C 6-row head. I'm here with the consignor. I just kind of let him talk about it. It's just in excellent shape. So.
Okay, well, this corn head I bought probably 7 years ago. I was the second owner. It's got less than 2,000 acres ever put through it. It's been serviced and maintained, always inside. Absolutely nothing wrong with it. I'm retiring, and so that's why we're selling it. It was on a S660 John Deere combine. I sold the combine off. Still have the head, so everything's good about it. I say there's nothing wrong with it in any way.
And then he was kind of pointing out some things with me on it too. I believe it's got stalk stompers on it. What was the chain? The chains are quite a bit thicker.
The gathering chains are a lot thicker than what they are on the older models, so they absolutely do a lot better job than the older models.
So yeah, we just want to do that quick video, guys. The head, like you said, less than 2,000 acres ever put through it. Just in excellent shape. I mean, it's ready to go. He's very picky about maintenance. You can kind of see his shed here's in excellent shape too. So it's a really nice head. Just want to do that quick video. Good luck, guys, with auction time and Old 20 auctions.